Excuse me. Good stretch, Tosca. Good stretch. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Having a roll. Hey, quiet now. Quiet down. How's it going, guys? I'm Stephen. Thank you for tuning in to our daily dog walk on Thursday the 14th of April. It's the morning. I'm out with the little guys and we have 8 hyper dogs this morning ready to take on the world. Stay with us, we'll show you all the fun, what we get up to here on what is a kind of warm but cloudy day in Edinburgh, the heart of Scotland. Stick with us, we'll show you the fun. Where's Mia? Hello, sweetheart. Hello, Trouble. Hi. Good to see you, Poppet. Good to see you. Yes, sir. One second. And that's him doing what he always does. Just sits with it like that. One paw on it. Where's Ruby? Let's find Ruby. Let's find Ruby. Guys, this is Indy. You've not met her because she comes out with the big guys. Yes. Hello, Indy. Hi, sweetheart. We've not seen you in ages. Hello. How you doing? How you doing? How are you doing? I know it. Oh, who look who it is? Coco and Dixie. Yeah. Hello, Coco. You sit next for me. You sit nice. Oh, Coco's got a blue eye and Dixie's got 2 the same eyes. Like you see here. Wait now. Well, I think Indy has knackered you guys out, hasn't she? She's knackered you out, buddy. She has knackered you out. You are going to sleep well this afternoon, Otis. I'll guarantee that. Everyone okay? Good girl, Tosca. Good, you guys. Good. Good girl, sweetie. Good girl. It's just you to go in the lead. Is it nice for us? Is it nice? Or do you want to walk with Elsa? You walk with Elsa, that's fine. You walk with Elsa. Oh, Ruby! Ruby, you're dragging me! Alright guys, we got a bit distracted by Indy there. She kind of took up all of our time. She's a lovely dog. We absolutely love bumping into her and our owner Lindsay. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this one, remember, like, comment, subscribe and share. And we'll see you on the next walk. Take care. Hi, what's going on? What's going on? No fighting on the lead. Thank you.